In this video, you'll learn how to use Binance Points to obtain a USDC token voucher. By the end of this guide, you will understand the steps necessary to redeem your points effectively and ensure a smooth transaction. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Rewards or Point Center section, which is usually found in the main menu or account dropdown. This area will display your available Binance points, giving you a clear overview of what you can redeem. After accessing the Point Center, take a moment to review the available USDC vouchers. It is essential to read the terms associated with each voucher carefully, as they may include important information about expiry dates and usage conditions. Checking your eligibility for these vouchers is crucial to avoid any issues during the redemption process. Next, select the USDC voucher option from the list of available rewards. The platform will then prompt you to confirm the number of points required for the voucher. Make sure you have enough points before proceeding. Once you confirm the required points, complete the redemption securely by following the prompts. Pay attention to any deadlines for redemption, as missing these could result in losing the opportunity to redeem your points. After successfully redeeming the voucher, navigate to your wallet or the voucher section of your account to confirm that the USDC credit has been applied. It is important to use your USDC according to the specified rules associated with the voucher. Monitor the expiration date of your USDC credit actively to ensure you do not miss out on using it. Finally, keep track of your transaction history to verify that everything is in order. It is advisable to save any confirmation messages or transaction details for your records. Should you notice any discrepancies, such as missing credits, do not hesitate to contact Binance support for assistance. This step ensures that you have successfully utilized your USDC credit. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.